Now let's see how CSS hover effect works. Okay, let's see how hover effect works on CSS. This was the place we stopped last time, and then we are gonna continue from there. Okay, now you can just go ahead and go to your code. And first of all, what is hover effect? Hover effect, what I mean here is when we hover our mouse on any item, any element at all, the effect that happens when we hover on it, okay, that's basically what I mean by CSS hover effect. Okay, so let's make it in such a way that when we hover on any name here, okay, when we hover on any name, let the background change probably from this color, okay, to another color. All right, let the background change, like something should happen. Okay, it's up to you on what you want it to happen. Now let's get into action. I will just go ahead and go to my code and go back here, and I will say for every tr, okay, so I can copy this particular one, I can come here and paste it, and I'll say for every tr, and I'll add a colon, and I will say hover, okay, like this. And whatever styling I'm gonna enter here is only gonna be applicable whenever we hover on the element. Okay, so I'm gonna say let the background change from what it was, which is green, okay, or maybe this color. Okay, let it change from that to probably, let it change to purple, and then the color should be white. So I'll just go ahead and paste this here. Okay, so let's try to check out my work. What I did was just target my tr every row in my table. Okay, and I will say whenever I am hovering on them, try as much as possible to give me the background color to become purple. Okay, so this way at what is it to go ahead and override the current styling whenever you hover on it. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I will just go ahead and come here, and I will hover on this down cursor right now, and what happened, as you can see, it changes the background color and also the text color. Okay, it's up to you. Whatever way you want to do it, just go ahead and do it. Okay, this is just how hover effect works. Okay, in case you want to change the font size or even the font family, okay, you can go ahead and do that. So I will say change the font family from maybe whatever thing it was to something like this. Okay, whenever I hover on there. Now look at this. Now notice how the font family is. When I hover on it, check the font family now, and it changes to something like this. Okay, you can even change the font size. Okay, you can say font size this time around, and you can say make it 40%, 40 pixels rather. It's gonna be extremely bold. Okay, let's say something like this. Okay, and this is it. All right, something like this, and it's becoming much more interesting. Okay, so this is basically how CSS hover effect works, okay, on the browser, and this is basically how you can go ahead and add any effect at all on hover. Okay, all you have to do is to target that element and then add a colon with a hover keyword, and then go ahead and style what you want to style. Okay, thank you so much.